Guys, it's me and I'm going to be doing a kitten video. Say hello to the camera.
What's up, dog?
It's that.
Uh-oh, I made it sneeze. Darn it.
Sneezing, it'll just bring up. It might be a little bit sneezy at the moment.
Sorry.
Oh my god, I got 2 stacks of cats on me. Seriously. Are they licking each other?
Who is?
These kittens.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. They're all snuggly because we're
I
under
can
an
see.
epic.
Is looking himself at a core sleeping on me. Jesus Christ. I'm half terrified from the time I got living. Not so close. Cover my blow in front of its face. Who do you think you are? Out. And I'll be ending the video. I'm gonna go do a TikTok video. By the way, in the next video, I will give you a link in the description to TikTok, and I'll tell you my TikTok profile, and you guys can go like or follow or what's it called? It's like 2 people are sitting next to each other and they're trying to do the same thing. What's it called again? It's on TikTok.
Copying.
No.
Mumbling.
You and Sky did that once.
Duet.
Yeah. You guys can do a duet with me. If you guys want to do a duet with me, I will.
No,
I'm always on TikTok basically, and I got 2 lots of morons on me. So, okay, I'll end the video now. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you want me to give you a link tomorrow, or the next day, or next week, or next year, or next generation. So, bye bye, guys.